Hey YouTube, today I have an unboxing of a TP-Link TLWN851ND 300 megabits a second wireless NPCI adapter. Now, I got this for my server because I'm going to be streaming videos on it, and I wanted to make sure I had a good, reliable wireless source, and I thought, well, I can't go wrong with TP-Link because of its dual antennas. We also have a TP-Link access point with two antennas, which is also wireless end, so it really helps because the one antenna does one like upload and another does download. 3-year warranty, which is pretty helpful, and it supports everything from Windows 2000 to Windows 7, but I have Windows Vista, which it does support on my server. I got this for $27 at Computer Parts Land, Notting Hill, Victoria. It's my favourite computer store. Anyway, here's the box. Just has features and benefits on the back and on the side, specifications. See, as you can see, it supports 7, XP and Vista. And here it's just a picture. Okay, once we open the box, inside the box we have a resource CD, a quick installation guide, a purchasing guide, and a wireless purchasing guide. Here we have the card itself, and the ports and the antennas, and a warning saying that it's electrostatic sensitive. So, one sec, let me go and touch something metal to make sure I have no static charge in me. Okay, all good. So we'll just open this up, take it out of its packet, and try to reach the metal part. I can't, so I'll just put it by the tip and place it on the anti-electrostatic plastic, because that's carpet. Also in the box we have the two antennas, which are self-install. So it's pretty much just screwing them on. Like so. And then you can adjust them to which angle you want. I'll probably just have mine like that or something, but it depends on where your access point is. If it's one place or one direction, you'll want to aim it to that direction that it is in. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will have an Xbox 360 Slim unboxing video. I keep on saying this every video, with probably within 12 hours of the upload of this video. And I'll also have a review of LA Noire. I'm getting that game this month. Apparently it's a really good game. Anyway, thanks for watching.